So here we have a crystal clear side repeater set. This fits quite a number of different models within the VAG group, such as Ibiza, Leon, Bora, Caddy Mark III, Transporter T5, Golf Mark IV, etc. So this is a totally crystal clear set. So what you've got is a chrome background with a crystal clear lens. This is a normal bulb type, it's non-LED this version. It is fully E-marked, it is road legal and they are MOT compliant. So what you've got within the kit is a pair of amber bulbs. You've got some bulb holder adapters. Not all vehicles need these, it just depends what vehicle you're fitting them to. So it just allows them, your car to accept them depending on what bulb type your vehicle's got. So you may or may not need this kit here. Just some O-rings just to keep everything watertight. So as you can see, these just push in with a clip directly into the wing, and then the bulb holder just clicks into the back. They're really easy to fit, and they've got a nice crystal clear finish.